Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to restore a tab in Google Chrome. What I mean by this is if you accidentally close out a tab or you close out your entire window on accident and you want to reopen all the tabs that were in it, I'll show you how to do that. So I have two tabs open here and I'm going to accidentally close this one. I didn't mean to do that and I want to reopen it. I want to restore what I just deleted. So to open up a tab you accidentally closed or open up a window that you accidentally closed, all you need to do is press Control-Shift-T, and it's going to reopen the most recent tab that you closed. So if I press Control-Shift-T multiple times, I would start opening up all the tabs I closed in the order that I closed them in. And if I were to actually close the entire window and close out every tab, all you need to do is open up another Chrome window and do Control-Shift-T again in that window, and the previous window with all the tabs will open up as well. So that's a quick video on how to restore a tab that you accidentally closed or a window that you accidentally closed in Google Chrome. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.